Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get a free virtual card. Now, in order to get a free virtual card, you would have to register in a virtual bank. Now, there are plenty of options for a virtual bank. Go to Google and search for free virtual card. And here, you'll find the list of banks that offer virtual card. Now, I'm going to show you a list of banks that provide virtual card and their accounts are easy to make. You can make them online. Just search for Payoneer Virtual Card. Now, Payoneer is a virtual bank account which provides a virtual card. At the same time, you can also sign up for TransferWise. TransferWise is another virtual bank that provides a virtual card. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.